Hello everybody, this is Hina and welcome to another tutorial of dillenium marketing, and today I'm going to share with you how can you easily and quickly create these type of glitter texture, glittering effects in your creatives by using Adobe Illustrator. So let's start now. I've just created these type of effects on the text and here in the form of bars, so you can easily create in the background layers as well. So let's start work on it. First of all, what you have to do, I've just created a new document here and I'm now going to create a background layer which is obviously in black color. As you all know, black color create a more powerful impact on these type of creatives. So I've just created it and now press Ctrl 2 to lock this layer, so it will be quite easy to work around because it will not distract. Now I'm just taking this text layer and now writing glitter texture, and here you can just scale it up like this, and now you can simply create outline. Here I'm converting into the white color so it will be obvious, so you can place it in the middle like this simply. And now what I'm going to do, I'm creating a simple bars here just to create a different backgrounds. So first of all, I have created this one, and now what I'm going to do, I'm taking the copy of this, dragging it down, and now press Ctrl D so we can work around different color options. For now, what I'm going to do, I'm applying some colors to this. First of all, I'm going to create some solid colors like this, and here I want to choose the turquoise. You can take different colors, but it's all depend upon you how you want to move with this. As you can see, here are some swatches. So in swatch library, I want to find some gradients here. For example, from gems and jewels, here I want to take this one. Here you can take different colors like gold, and here you can also take some colors. Here are some, I want to take the spectrum here. So these are the different shades that we have taken, so we can apply these colors to our here you can find some pastels here. So these are the colors format that we have just selected. And now what I'm going to do, I'm grabbing each and every layer. Now here go into the effect, artistic, choose film grain from here, and here you can see there is some preview, so you can find out, you can easily up and down the values here. If you want some more glittery sort of effect, then you can keep the graininess on the peak, like I have choose the 19 points here. Here you can the highlighted area is in the middle, but you can also increase it. Intensity will remain high, and now I want to go with these settings, press OK. So you can see how easily and quickly we have created this. Now you can apply some blending here, so you can see. So this is very simple and easy technique that you can use to create these type of textures. Here you can change different colors, like here, like I want to apply again artistic from green, apply new effect, press OK, because we have already taken these. So you can apply colors from here, you can play with different colors, purple, green, turquoise, blue. So these are the effects that you can easily create. So this is the technique that I want to share with you. Here in the same way you can apply different color options to the bars as well. Like here you can create different tones like silver or whatever you want to do, you can apply here. So thank you so much for watching. If you have any specific requirement regarding the glittering textures or the related things within Adobe Illustrator, then you can share with me in the comment section. If you like my tutorial, then you can hit the like button, subscribe to my channel, and have a very good day. Bye bye.